Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jill, and in today's video, I am going to share with you my top 10 hotel tips and hacks for families, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is my hotels box. And this actually includes all my hacks that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This is nice and compact. What it is a Huggies baby wipes container that I just, finished all the wipes up, and you have a nice storage area. And it fits perfectly in the car, but obviously if you are going to be traveling and going on an airplane, then you're going to want to have something more like a makeup bag that's maybe a plastic makeup bag that you can, shove into a suitcase. So on to hack number 1.
So I always have a child safety plug cover, or a couple of them, in there so that way I can, plug up all the outlets. But if there's too many outlets, then I use some washi tape that I also keep in my box, or painter's tape works great as well.
So tip number 2, typically you always have some type of ice box or bucket, and inside is usually one of these bags. So if you have a soiled diaper and you forgot to bring a bag along, just use this, wrap up that soiled diaper, and throw it in the trash outside when you're ready to leave. Okay, now tip number 3 is trying to get your child to go to sleep during the day and a hotel room has a bright sky out. Well, I can show you a tip on how to darken that room. So take a hanger that should be in the closet with these little hooks at the bottom, which are supposed to be for pants. And you're just going to take this across. And you're going to pin it together so that way there's no light coming through. Voila! Now it is dark.
Trying to get your child to sleep, or you're trying to sleep for that matter, and it's super loud in the hallway, roll up a towel and place it at the doorway, and it should help reduce or eliminate that sound from in the hallway.
So the second part of this would be using a white noise app from your cell phone. So whether it's Apple iTunes or Google Play Store, and then download one that you would like, and then I'm just gonna select one. Here's Beach Waves Crashing, so I'm gonna click on that. So as you can hear the waves, but it's not very loud. So if you want to amplify it so that way your children only hear this and not the surrounding noise outside, your ice bucket that we just used previously, and stick this in there and it amplifies it. Really cool. Number 5, ever need hot water? Well, you have a coffee pot in your room. You can use hot water to warm up bottles, or if you need a quick breakfast like some oatmeal, this is the way to do it. And always in my handy dandy hotel box that I have here, I always keep a couple packets of oatmeal in here as well. So you're just going to take your cup that you have, put some butter in here, you're gonna put it in the back, fill it up for 1 cup only, close it, and then turn it to the 1 cup, particularly on this model. Let the hot water go in there, and you can always put the oatmeal in previously and beforehand, fill it up, and you have some nice hot oatmeal for the morning. Okay, so number 6, don't have a place to eat your food. If you got takeout, room service, you can use your ironing board. Just pop this sucker out and place it right here. Put a towel over top, and there you go. Perfect table. Tip number 7. You don't want your toothbrush touching the counter. You never know how clean it really is. Take a clothes hanger like so, and let me show you what I do. Don't have a clothes hanger, you can always use one of the cups that are in the hotel rooms as well, and just plop it on top, and there you go. So number 8 is, do you always forget what room number you're in? Take a picture, as well as where you're parking too. Take a picture of where you're parking at so you don't forget when you're ready to leave and you're like, oh my gosh, where am I parked? So let's go take a picture. So now it's stored in your phone and now you know where your room is. Number 9 tip. If you have some dirty baby bottles or dirty water bottles, you don't know what to do with them, so bring some items along with you so you can wash them in the sink. So I always carry along some dish soap inside a Johnson baby wash container. You can do any type of travel size container, as well as I have some handy wipes in here I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. They're reusable as well as disposable. Wash them in your sink and you're ready to go. So for my number 10 tip is if you don't have a bed rail and you have a child who falls out of bed easily if there's no rail, I have 2 things that you could do. So the first thing is you can always take a chair or some type of furniture and put it against the bed like so, and this will help the child not fall off the bed. Or you can take some towels, roll them up, or even some pillows, and what you want to do is put them underneath the fitted sheet. So that, and stuff them underneath there to make it a lot higher, and that will help them from falling out of the bed as well. Thanks for watching my top 10 hotel hacks and tips for families. Comment below if there's any hacks or tips that you use that work really well. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.